Want to learn how to make really good egg white foam in your cocktails? Well, watch this video and I'll show you how to do it. If you take a look, you'll see 2 Hawthorne strainers up here. These are a couple of our fantastic Hawthorne strainers at our website, A Bar Above. You're going to need 2 of these to make this cocktail. So the first one, we are going to go ahead and take the coil off. It's super easy to do. You just saw me do it. And we're going to go ahead and just roll it over onto itself so it makes this beautiful little donut looking thing. I already have the cocktail built. I have the lemon juice, simple syrup, and bourbon. So just a whiskey sour. I'm going to toss this in there. We're going to get an egg. And we're going to break the egg whites in there. Just go straight into the cocktail. If you're measuring this out, it's about 3/4 of an ounce. And then we're just going to go ahead and seal it up. And that coil is going to aerate the cocktail. It's going to build up that foam. And the moment of truth. You can see all that beautiful egg white right on top there. And there we have it. So head on over to our store over at abarabove.com and check out our stuff.